Welcome to day 2, the Sunday vlog, and Nihar kitchen. So let's see what he's doing. Hi. So you will see today we are preparing mushroom, and that mushroom travels almost 300 kilometers, you can say, straight away from Daringbadi. And these kind of mushrooms you can mostly get it from the hill station, you can say. So this is the hilly mushroom, huh? Yeah.
After having the nice, delicious mushroom meal, we suddenly planned one unplanned trip to Deras Dam. Deras Dam is one of the lesser known and peaceful spots around Bhubaneswar. We headed there to escape from the city for a while, enjoy some natural beauty, greenery, and fresh air. Sometimes the best trips are the one you don't plan. Let's see.
So hello guys. So though it was a Sunday and it's a weekend, so we thought to came outside of Bhubaneswar and was planning to spend some time outside the Bhubaneswar. Me and Vishnu was plan something, but once we reached, then we got to know that the whole Bhubaneswar is here. So, but the scenic view was something good, you can say. So I wanna show you the view and the traffic here, and the most important part is we just got to know that the whole people almost that it they make the place overcrowded. But anyway, we can see it. So let's have a look. So yeah, you can see the place. The place look very beautiful. You can see. So here is Vishnu. You wanna say something?
No, nothing.
Okay. So fine then.
So that beautiful view.
Okay, I'm trying to show them. So you can see the view. The view is exceptionally good. You can see.
Please do like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.